You don't have to push the child to do something.
So is it fair to say that where interests are concerned, parents and teachers can play an active role, and where aptitude is concerned, career coaches or career counselors are...
Assessment might help, but even then, so interests are something which are going to be developing, and that depends on the kind of exposure you give the child. So it's very important to give them exposure into various things, basically put them in workshops, put them for different film appreciation courses, sports, but don't look at, like, parents, what they do is they put them in some sport and they pay the fees for around a year, and then they say, oh, my child is not interested anymore. So do short term things, give them exposure, see where their interest lies, what is the child willing to do for a longer period of time, self motivated. You don't have to push the child to do something, whether it is chess, whether it is swimming, whether it is music or a maths class or anything of that sort. So interests have to be kind of
explored and experimented.
When the child has limited exposure, so you need to travel, you need to spend time, read a lot with them, and so you'll know what your child is interested in. Aptitudes marks can give you a fair idea of what the aptitudes are. So if you can even bucket, okay, I think my child is more interested in
languages, or
then the marks are also corresponding to it, but still I want a validation, so you go in for an aptitude test.